There's the old cycle path next to the road at Freshies, but nice. See the wife behind somewhere? Kids up front. Oh, some French nutter stopped at the side of the road. Tour de France bike.
That bike wasn't really nice, was it?
That bike wasn't very nice at all. Mikey! Watch where you got not too close, you two, you know what happens. Hi Cam, how's your new bike?
Great.
What's your favourite thing about it?
Well, I don't have a favourite.
Alright, I'm going to interview Mikey then. Mikey, hold on a sec. First ever Tour de France on a racing bike, how's it gone so far?
Great.
What's your favourite bit about it?
Yeah.
Yeah?